What's up guys, it's Beck Hikes. Today's hike is called the Patton Knob hike. It is on the Mountains to Sea trail, a little section of it. We end up actually cutting this trail short. As you can see maybe in the distance, it looks like it's gonna storm. So I don't think there's a better view past this actual view. So we just did the first overlook, which is about 1.3 miles in, and it's a really nice looking view. So the Beck rating for this hike I'd give is probably around like a 7.4 out of 10. It's relatively short. The drive to it is a good way depending on where you're coming from, but you do get to enjoy the scenic route on the Blue Hills Parkway. But like I said, to this exact location, it's only 1.3 miles to it, so round trip is 2.6. And if you had a longer day, you could easily go up to Mount Mitchell and view that. That's the highest point in the southern eastern part of the mountains. So other than that, overall 7.4 out of 10, and hope you guys enjoy.